Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Mitsubishi Raider LS. Built to last, ready for anything. Meet your new Mitsubishi Raider LS. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mitsubishi has less than 81,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Looking for a tough, reliable, and handsome truck? Check out this 2007 Mitsubishi Raider LS. Powered by a 3.7L V6 engine with 210 horsepower and 235 pound-feet of torque, this truck is ready for any job. It's packed with features like power windows, locks, and mirrors, an M/FM/CD stereo system, and ice-cold A/C. The sleek Arctic white exterior pairs perfectly with the comfortable slate cloth interior. With less than 81,000 miles, this Raider has averaged under 5,000 miles per year. Plus, it delivers 15 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway. Don't miss out, this truck comes with a clean Carfax, ensuring it's been well cared for. Come see it today. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, power door locks, and power windows.